It's Dr. Ario here. How are you all doing? So, in the last 1 month, in clinics, I've seen quite a lot of people, both adults and children, coming with different skin problems. And actually, the main thing that stood out for me was dry skin. Yes, it's so amazing to see a lot of people actually not looking after their skin. They're not actually applying any lotions, any creams, or any moisturizer to their skin. See, dry skin, even though it seems simple, can cause problems like irritation to the skin. It can cause itching. And for the person that is actually experiencing it, it can be a very unpleasant thing, okay? Also, when the skin is dry, we sort of encourage it to experience breakages or cracks in the skin. And that actually allows agents like bacteria and viruses to have easy access into the skin and cause problems like infection. Looking after your skin is really important. Often I see parents come in very distressed because their child's skin is looking so bad, or maybe they're suffering from other skin problems like eczema. And when you look at that child's skin, you feel for that child because the skin looks very dry, looks very angry, very irritated skin, and it's not fair on that child. And, amazingly, when you ask the parent, what are you putting on the child's skin, are you applying any cream, it's like you've asked an alien question, because they're not actually using anything for the child. However, they've booked an appointment to come and see a doctor, hoping that the doctor maybe will prescribe an amazing or a miraculous cream that is just going to make the skin altogether better. Surprisingly, there isn't anything like that, at the moment. Well, we haven't discovered one. But actually, the most basic and effective thing that you can do for yourself and also even for your child is make sure that you're actually creaming their skin. Is the skin important to all of us? Of course it is. The skin is considered the largest organ of the body, in terms of size. But more importantly, your skin acts as a covering for you. It's your first defense when it comes to protecting yourself from illnesses. Your skin acts as a barrier that prevents bugs from entering into the skin and causing skin infections. And even more seriously, if those infections go into your bloodstream, they can cause life-threatening illnesses. Not only that, your skin protects you from the damaging effects of the sun. We know that ultraviolet rays from the sunlight can actually cause damage to the skin, and that can put you at risk of something as serious like skin cancer. Okay? Your skin also works by absorbing the right amount of sun rays so that it can make vitamin D, which is so important for strengthening your bones and making your bones a happier one. Okay? And also vitamin D has such important function in other parts of the body. So it's something that you and I actually need. So what are some of the practical things that you can do to actually make sure that you're keeping your skin healthy? Well, the first thing is make sure that you are having adequate hydration. And I don't mean alcohol, I don't mean caffeine drinks, I don't mean fizzy drinks, I mean water. Make sure that you're drinking enough of water in the day. Most of us, we have busy jobs, we have busy lives, and often you can go through the whole day and you just realize you've not even had a glass of water. If you have a busy job, make it a point, maybe have a bottle of water in your bag, or find a way of having water close by, and so that throughout your work time you are actually having sips of water to keep your skin happier. Not only that, because water itself is very important for your body, because a large proportion of your body actually is made up of water. Water is important for filtering out toxins from your body. So it's also important, another important reason for you to make sure that you're drinking water. Okay? The other thing that you can do, like I've mentioned before, is moisturize, moisturize, moisturize. You can never get that wrong, yeah, and you can never do enough of that. Make sure it's extra water to your skin. Make sure you're moisturizing, especially if you have very dry skin. Then you have no excuse to say that you don't moisturize your skin at all. I know men especially are guilty of this, because women often will carry a handbag, so maybe they can even put it in there. But I do encourage my male patients, just have a small bottle of it, put it in your work bag, or keep it at work so that you can use it if you need to use it. And the other thing is maintain a healthier diet. Okay, you want a diet that is rich in omega-3, and you can get this from your oily fish. You can get it from fishes like salmon, mackerel, herons. They're good sources of omega-3, which, because it keeps the skin supple, it keeps it thick, and it keeps it moisturized. You can also make sure that you're eating a diet that is rich in vitamin E and vitamin C, and you can get these things from lots of vegetables, examples being broccoli, for example. You can get it from avocado, you can get it from tomato, and also, make it a point of looking at things for yourself, so that you will have variety in terms of different diets that will provide you with the right amount of the essential nutrients that you need, that will keep your skin healthy, but also help you to maintain a healthier life generally. Okay, so I hope this helped. This was just a short talk because of what I picked up in my clinic, just to say that it's really important. When it comes to health, it's a holistic way you have to look at it. You have to look at your body in totality. Okay, and your skin is definitely one part of the body that you need to make sure that you're taking care of it, because it is important. So I hope that this has helped you. Please, if you have any questions, if you have any health issues that you want to seek some guidance, some support, some help, feel free to email me on info@healthtalk.me. info@healthtalk.me. You can also PM me on my Facebook page, and definitely please do check out my YouTube channel as well, and remember to subscribe. So until we see you again, is Dr. Aria.